Hi, I'm Dr. Emma Poole from Foundation Equine Clinic, and today I'm going to answer your questions about equine chiropractic. So chiropractic is the practice of finding joints in the body that are restricted in their range of motion. We call those subluxation complexes, with a primary focus on the neck and spine. So we want to find the areas of the body that aren't moving through the range of motion that they're supposed to, and then correct those using a specific chiropractic adjustment. So chiropractic can help your horse by improving their overall biomechanics, the way that they move, and improving their basic neurologic function. By correcting any areas of the body that are restricted in their range of motion, we can actually improve the overall way that they move and help assist them with any other orthopedic conditions they may have going on, such as osteoarthritis or any sort of soft tissue injury. So lots of horses could benefit from chiropractic work. A lot of performance horses can benefit from it just from the degree of activities we ask them to do. They can create subluxation complexes. And a lot of other horses, like our senior horses that already have pre-existing conditions like arthritis, they already have restricted areas of the body that are not moving correctly, so we can definitely help them feel more comfortable with chiropractic work. And even just our trail horses or backyard horses, just activities of daily living can actually cause restricted range of motion and subluxation, so really the majority of horses could benefit from chiropractic work. The majority of horses really enjoy having chiropractic. They usually relax, they'll chew, kind of close their eyes. So we do a lot of joint manipulation, and we do that very gently. So most of the horses really enjoy it. If they have any areas that are sore, often your chiropractor will avoid those areas right away, make sure that the horse is comfortable, and then make sure we're really gentle on those areas. The majority of horses really enjoy it, and afterwards you'll actually see quite a difference in the horse's behavior. The majority of horses respond really quickly to chiropractic work, so within a couple of days. You'll often see results the first several times you ride the horse or work the horse after the adjustment. Some horses may need more than one treatment depending on what else they've got going on. So if they've got a lot of areas of the spine that are restricted in motion, or if they're very arthritic or stiff, they may need several adjustments before we feel like they've really made a big improvement. But the majority of horses, your chiropractor will probably want to follow up with them in a couple of weeks to make sure that everything feels good. And then after that, some people prefer to have it done on an as-need basis. So if you're riding the horse and you can feel that things are not quite right, or if you'd rather have a chiropractor check your horse every several months as a tune-up, that's also appropriate. There really isn't any downtime after an adjustment. Typically your chiropractor will recommend to give that day off of work for the horse, but they can go outside and resume their normal daily activities, and then typically you can ride the horse within the next several days as long as there isn't another significant problem going on, such as a lameness or injury that your primary veterinarian is working on. The rules depend on the state that you're in, but in most states, the only people who are allowed to provide chiropractic care for your horse are chiropractors or veterinarians who've gone through specific training for animal chiropractic. Equine chiropractic care typically ranges from between $90 to $250, but this really depends on your location, your horse, and your provider, and several other factors. At Foundation Equine, we'd really be happy to talk to you about your options, so give us a call if you're interested in chiropractic for your horse.